Welcome to the Bible Department, where we are walking through the entire Bible in a year. I'm your host, Dr. Manny Arango, and every single day, you'll get assigned about 3 or 4 chapters of the Bible from our Bible reading plan, which you can find and download at thebibledepartment.com. Once you read, you'll head here, and we're going to do 3 things every day. I'm going to give you context clues, which will help bridge the gap between the cultural context of the Bible and the cultural context of modern society. I'm going to give you nerdy nuggets, which will be important details that you probably would have missed if you were just reading this on your own. And lastly, we'll always end the episode with a timeless truth, because our goal is not to simply study history. Oh no, our goal is to encounter the God of the Bible, who's the same yesterday, today, and forevermore. Whether you are watching this from your couch on YouTube, or whether you are listening to this during your morning commute, I want you to subscribe so that you never miss an episode. I believe this is going to be the year that you finally read through the entire Bible and that it transforms your life.